Hi guys, I have another model kit build video for you today. This is the yak-7 from Eastern Express in 1/72nd scale. I bought this model kit long before the Russian-Ukrainian war, and it was a quite cheap and accessible model kit at that time. I remember when I bought this, I was not sure that do I want to build it or do I want to trade it something. I watched a few reviews and on the pictures the sprues looked very promising, so I became curious. As you can see, the details on this kit is excellent. Without any fancy upgrade parts, the plastics can be detailed enough, what I very like on it. And before you getting too excited and you start searching this kit to buy, I warn you, this kit is far away to being perfect, and the problem is not the details and not the accessibility. This kit is not easy to build. Why, you ask me? Well, watch the video and you will understand me. In general, yak-7s are not popular choices by the manufacturers, because yak-7s not popular types between modelers. The type is overshadowed by the yak-1s, the yak-9s and the yak-3s. I think this is because some of us may think that the yak-7 is nothing else just a two-seater yak-1, which is not. The yak-7 is an independent construction and it has an interesting evolution during the Second World War. The story is covered by a lot of experts and there are very interesting readings about. But we are here because of this model kit. So what do we have here? Two sprues and a single for the clear parts, a very basic building instruction, a nice and colorful painting guide, and a few decals which all looks very nicely. The parts are thicker as it should be, there are no setting pins on them, and the material is some kind of a very soft plastic. But now I talked enough, it's time to start building it. What to know about Eastern Express? It is one of the giants in modern manufacturing in Russia. It is founded in 1992 in Moscow. The original native name of the factory is Vostochny Express, and it has a very mixed reputation in the modeling world. It has their own model kits, but often as a factory giant it absorbs small factories and releases old, absorbed kits as their own. So an Eastern Express model kit is literally a lucky bag. You never know whose kit inside until you open it. Sounds familiar? Yeah, you probably know why it sounds familiar. My buddy Zoli calls Eastern Express factory the Russian Rebel. And you guessed it, the yak-7 is not an original Eastern Express model kit. It was released in 2001 as a Docoplast kit. So if you find a Docoplast kit in an Eastern Express box, you had luck, because Docoplast kits are really good. Fiddly to assembly, but they are good. Why do I mention it that the yak-7 is not an easy build? Because the setting pins are non-existing. Every part needs pre-work before you glue on. Every part must be sanded to its place and aligned carefully. Some parts are too thick, which must be sanded down to the correct thickness. So the cut, glue, forget rule in this case not working. This is very similar building experience like an earlier model kit, just for the comparison. I'm trying to keep this video under 10 minutes, so the endless sanding and setting footages was cut out. But let's put it this way. If you build this kit, the sanding stick probably will turn your best friend or your worst enemy. And the yak-7 project is finished. For who do I recommend this kit? Actually anyone. Maybe those who socialized on good-fitting Tamiya and Eduard kits will struggle a bit, but this is not a bad kit by any means. It is definitely a rare one. Which upgrade do I recommend? Well, a better canopy may come handy, but this kit doesn't need any other upgrade parts. Don't forget, the original airplane was not a complex machine either. And here is another yak from another era. This is the yak-36 from ARC model. I hope you liked my work, and see you in the next video.